Hi everybody, it's CreativeSarah here. We are going to use the Haunted Houses transfer in one of our awesome house cutouts. So I am going to select this large one with the chimney and put the others aside. And I'm going to spray a little bit of water on the front, and then I'm going to use some of our black velvet chalk paste and just do a little painting to make that house look extra spooky. When you spray the top with water, it helps smooth out that chalk paste as you're painting. You can do it as light or as dark as you want. The more water you have, the lighter it will be. And the less water you have, of course, it will be a little bit darker of a paste. Okay, so once that's dry, all we have to do is do some surface wax. We're just going to wax the top of that to protect our transfer from the top of that surface, which is wood. Okay, so let's see. We're going to line this up. Nice, pretty simple to do. And I'm going to take some Storm chalk paste, give it a little stir, and here we go. I'm going to put some on there and spread it out with my squeegee. So Storm on top of that black paint is going to be super creepy. It's going to be so cool for these haunted houses. Okay, to get it all covered, I'm just using my squeegee to scrape. If you are new and you are checking out my video for the first time, go ahead and comment VIP and I will make sure that you get an invite to my crafting group. It's free and you'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. Also, if you'd love to try it, you can get a sample. Just comment sample. Look how cool that looks, you guys. Now, I'm going to take some of these wood cutouts. These wood cutouts can be found in an Etsy shop called CreativeWoodCutsShop. It's also, you can find the business on Facebook with the same name. CreativeWoodCutsShop is the name of the Facebook page. And we have these wood cutouts that are coordinating with Chalk Couture transfers. So very handy dandy to use. I am going to be using two. I've got this little bat and the little beware sign. It's going to be really cool on this house. Now, I have some other chalk paste that I'm going to use. This is going to be, it's a shimmer olive. Olive is kind of a bright green color, and it looks really good with all of the Halloween stuff. And then I'm also going to use this brand new, only available during August, Shimmer Very Peri. It's like a very dark periwinkle, kind of a purplish, and you can earn it for free only in August. You can't buy it. I can't buy it, and it's with a qualifying order, you can get yours for free. Yay! I love it. It's such a cute color. All right, so we got to dry these little pieces, and then we're just going to use our hot glue and glue it to the top. If you are interested in more information, you can check out CreativeSarah.com and enjoy.